Even though this is a little larger than I thought it would be, it's not a bad thing because it looks perfect where we put it. There is a mirror in this box, and the box looks like it was handled with care. That's nice. Inside the box is a very well packed with styrofoam mirror, and I'm going to attempt to get it out of here without any of the styrofoam. I succeeded in freeing it from the box and styrofoam with only one tiny little shred that went rogue. This is a little bit larger than I thought it was going to be. I'm going to be hanging it up on the wall for you and giving you my honest opinion. The seller did send this to us in exchange for a video. However, all of the views and opinions in this video are my own. It does feel very sturdy, which I also like. It definitely doesn't feel flimsy like something that you would get at one of those big box stores. So I'm really happy with the weight that's behind this mirror. My husband's going to assist me with mounting the mirror, and right now he's just making a mark where he's going to drill the screw. It looks really, really nice here. He hung it a little too high, which is unfortunate. I can barely see my forehead in it, but it's okay. It's decorative and it's beautiful, and I really do like it in the hallway.